All right, folks, I wanted to talk about a kitchen hack real quick. You can see we just picked up this Oster blender. And the reason I chose this over a Ninja or something like that is because it's a really cool hack. Hey, buddy, you want to get up here in the video too?
Yeah.
All right. So the Oster blender comes with this bottle. It's plastic, right? So one of the big reasons also we bought the Oster was...
Is that one okay, Daddy?
Yeah, it's gray. Or not gray. It's, yeah, it is gray. My screen went weird. Is because it's glass. The second reason we bought this, so we had a Ninja, Nutra Ninja, right, and it pretty much died.
Leo did that.
Leo did that. And I went and looked at the Pro Oster, and the bottom is bigger than this one, and that kind of wasn't going to work for what I wanted to do. And let me go ahead and twist this off. You can see this one's gear driven. We were looking at the KitchenAid, and there's a rubber piece here that it uses. That is Charlie. The Ninja also has a rubber bottom, but it's different. It's like a bunch of teeth. The KitchenAid's like a rubber spline. The Pro version of this, it's like a 1200 watt one. It's got a bigger base, and that wasn't going to work for what we're about to do. So you can see that this comes apart, and you have your blade. I like this blade better actually than the Pro one too. It's got a pin across the top rather than just a couple welds, and there's been reviews where the other ones actually come apart. So we're gonna, that's another reason I chose this one here. But anyway, we're gonna put this gasket over the top because that's where it belongs. If you put it on the bottom and it looks like it kind of fits there on that surface, this will leak, all right? So here's the cool kitchen hack that I've been rambling on about. Mason jars. So this is why we chose this, because this fits on here. Wait a minute, you didn't need to buy a Nutra Ninja that has plastic? What? Now you've got a jar. Any mason jar will fit. Bam, you lock it in. You can blend up your stuff right in the mason jar, kind of like you would in this plastic bottle, which I will never use. Clear plastic is probably some sort of, oh, what is it called? I can't think of the name of it. I'll probably like edit the video and put it in there. Like, not polyacrylic, it's freaking, anyway, they use BPA and phthalates and hard plastics. I don't know if this is polypropylene or what. It has a 5 on there, I have to look at it. You can tell, another thing, look at the recycling numbers on a plastic bottle to tell what kind of plastic it's made out of. And you can tell if it's going to have like BPA or something in there. So anyway, yeah, there's that jar, right? I'm going to take that off real quick, so I'm going to set you down. Check this out. You can also buy jelly jars, right? These are, I believe, half a cup. They're 4-ounce jelly jars, and it just barely fits in there. So like when my wife's making baby food, and there's the product. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, there's the box it came in. Wow, that's fantastic. That's awesome. Okay, let's not throw the box at me. Anyway, so now she can put her baby food ingredients in this little 4-ounce jar. We can put that on there. We can blend that up, or if not, we can put it in here and transfer it to that afterwards. And then you have these little plastic lids that you can buy for mason jars that are just one lid that screws on the top rather than the ring and the seal. And then you can put these in the fridge. You want to make a parfait, or I don't know, whatever you blend up. You want to make a smoothie for work. And you go, okay, put your 1 cup of milk in there plus all your other things. Put it on here, throw it on the blender. No reason to get the big piece of the big blender all grossed up. Yeah, buddy. Watch out. Anyway, so yeah, that's the kitchen hack. Mason jars fit on standard blender bottoms.